बेटा
Ma'am, arrangement for 10C.
for?
10C.
Arey, which teacher has class in your class?
Ma'am, that I don't know. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Monica. See, today exclusively we are going to discuss the paper, right? So keep your books in your hands and the question paper if you have. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji, all have come? Class? Okay. I can see Vedanshi, Anadi, Anjali. Let me take the attendance. Class, we will be discussing the question paper in this class, right? So let me share the screen with you people. Are you there, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Priyal Gangwar boy, admit. Let me share the screen. I think this is your question paper, right? This is set 2. Can you all see the question paper on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All those who are there in the meeting. First of all, I would like to say that many of you have done very good work. Some of you have really disappointed me. Some of you could not understand the question and write the same. Like there were certain questions which were quite easy, but then I think you were not able to judge that what exactly is to be written. So the answers went wrong, right? I will not be sharing the marks or anything over here. Though I have checked everything, I have corrected all your bundles. Everything is done. Marks are with me. But still, marks I'm not going to discuss. We are going to discuss only the question paper today, right? First, we'll be doing set 1 and then we'll do the set 2 discussion. So, set 1, all those who are there in the meeting. First of all, let me take the attendance. Let me see who all are there in the class. We have 10th C also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you do your paper, Bhavleen? Was it easy?
Ma'am, the paper was easy, but ma'am, some questions were like which were not included, like this one syllabus, ma'am. Like second half syllabus was included this time, but some of the questions were from first and second chapters also.
Not at all.
Ma'am, one question was not from, like it's from industrialization chapter
No, which question you are talking about?
of history, ma'am.
History. Which question?
Ma'am, in the starting it was there. Yes, ma'am, in history also.
अरे अभी अभी देख लेते हैं
Ma'am,
कैसी
one
बात.
question was there.
इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था बेटा. सिर्फ और
Yes,
सिर्फ
ma'am. Yes.
नेशनलिज्म का क्वेश्चंस हैं सारे इसके अंदर. अबू ज़ैर इज देयर इन द मीटिंग. अनादि, यू आर देयर.
Yes, ma'am.
अंजलि. अंशिका
Yes,
वर्मा.
ma'am.
अंजलि पटेल इज देयर. अंशिका वर्मा.
Yes, ma'am.
अंशिका सक्सेना. आयरा. आर्यन माथुर. आयुष गुप्ता. भवलीन. चिराग. दिव्या. गौरी.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavleen is present. Hiten, Ishanvi, Krish, Kshitij Agarwal, Kshitij Gangwar, Kushagra, Laksh Prajapati, Ayan, Monica, Nabil,
Present, ma'am.
Nishant, Pallavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishant is there.
Yes,
Parth,
ma'am.
Priyal, Priyal boy, Priyal girl, Priyansh, Raj Vikram.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. This
Ma'am,
is for
boy present.
Parth is present.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Priyansh
Shidam
present.
Gangwar also.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Shidam
Priyansh
Gangwar is
present.
also present.
Okay. Kshitij Gangwar is also present. ठीक है. Present. Ravit Verma.
Ma'am,
Raj,
Priyansh.
Priyansh is present. I have marked. Priyansh, you have also done very well, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ravit Verma, Riya Rastogi, Saloni, Shab, Shresht, Srishti Singh, Srimati Mishra, Surbhi, Vatsal, Vidanshi is there. Vishwa, Vishwa, are you there? No, Yash Sharma is there. Vidanshi बेटा आपने भी बहुत बढ़िया पेपर करा है. हाँ. See, all those who got set 2 was more easy than set 1. Do you people know? Set 2 was very easy. I don't know how it happened. Maybe it got changed or what. But set 2 was comparatively easy than the set 1. So all those who got to do set 1, they are lucky because they got certain questions which were for set 2. Now coming to 10th A.
Ma'am, how was my paper?
नवलीन आपका भी अच्छा था बेटा. आपने बहुत सिली मिस्टेक्स करे हुए हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा. हम क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे ना जिनसे हम ये सिली मिस्टेक्स एक्सपेक्ट बिल्कुल नहीं करते हैं. See, next class, individual class, when we will have, I'll discuss all the shortcomings, right?
Okay, ma'am.
10th A. Zeba is there in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivendra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You have also done good, but then more was expected from you. I know you can do, you have that potential, you will do it. Okay. Who else is there in 10th A?
Ma'am, Avika.
Avika is there. Avika, आपने मुझे बहुत disappoint करा बेटा. बहुत ज़्यादा. Who else is there?
मैम
Yes,
मैम
10th A. मोक्ष आपने अच्छा करा है बेटा. हमें अच्छा लगा कि आपने सिंसियरली, मतलब आपके पेपर को देख के लग रहा है कि आपने सिंसियरिटी काफी शो करी है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के कि क्लास में भी आप काफी एक्टिव थे और टेस्ट में भी आपने अच्छे से करा है. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने क्लास में तो बहुत आंसर्स देते थे बट पेपर में कुछ नहीं लिखा है. एंड शौर्य इज वन ऑफ देम. आई डोंट नो वेदर ही इज देयर टुडे और नॉट, बट शौर्य इज वन ऑफ देम. क्लासेस में तो ही वाज आंसरिंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, बट वो सेम क्वेश्चंस वहां पे पेपर में ही कुड नॉट आंसर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई वाज वंडरिंग.
Ma'am, my paper, how was it?
Who is this?
Real.
प्रियल, आपका बेटा आपका पेपर भी बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. पेपर आपने भी आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे लिखे हैं. बस एक आध जगह पे आप थोड़ा अटक गए जो मुझे लगता है कि शायद आपको सही से क्लियर नहीं हुआ था. बाकी 10th A और 10th B में बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा करा है. 10th C में तो नो डाउट्स ऑल हैव डन वंडर्स, बट देन फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स वेयर यू नो एक्सपेक्टेशंस वर हाई, वहां पे उन्होंने थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंट कर दिया हमको. अदरवाइज पेपर आप सबने बहुत अच्छे से करा है. कुछ बच्चों ने हर गाइडलाइन को फॉलो करा है. दैट वाज टोल्ड इन दी क्लास, दैट इज राइटिंग इन पॉइंट्स. शब्द में पेपर बहुत अच्छा करा है. शब्द नीड्स टू वर्क ऑन हिज राइटिंग. अदरवाइज उसके कंटेंट वगैरह सब बहुत अच्छा था. देयर वाज नो स्पेलिंग एरर. कृष्ण ने भी बहुत अच्छा करा है. ओनली थिंग वाज दैट 2 or 3 स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स ही हैड डन, so we have deducted marks for that also. So if Krish is there in the meeting, no need to be disappointed for on looking by the marks. It is just that because we were told to cut even spelling mistakes also for the ones who we feel can do much better, right?
How was mine?
Priyansh,
Yes.
हाँ बेटा आपने बहुत अच्छा करा है. हमने बताया तो आपके आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे आपने लिखे हैं, टू द पॉइंट लिखे हैं. कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा कंटेंट आपने ऐसा नहीं डाला है ऐसे जिससे कि टीचर जो है वो उसको सोचना पड़े कि मुझे मार्क्स देने कि नहीं देने. ठीक है, चलिए सबसे पहले हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे. व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट एक्ट ऑफ यूनियन 1707? मोनिका, इसका आंसर क्या होगा बताओ. Monica. Is Monica there?
Ma'am, I'm there.
हाँ बताओ, फर्स्ट का आंसर बताओ हमको.
Ma'am, Act of Union of 1707, ma'am. It was between Scotland
And?
and England, ma'am. It formed the United Nations of Great Britain.
Okay. Nishant, is it correct?
United Kingdom, sorry, United.
Nishant, is it correct?
I think so.
Think so नहीं, ये correct है. This is the correct answer. Act of Union 1707, though many have written, you know, I don't know what all they have written. Ireland, where from this Ireland has come in this Act of Union, I don't understand. Many have written Act of Union 1707 was the act when the whole of Europe was facing changes, revolution. Some have written Act of Union 1707 was about the unification of Ireland and England, which is completely wrong. 1707 Act of Union was the act that that led to the formation of United Kingdom by bringing Scotland and England together, right? Okay, second, who among the following hosted the Congress at Vienna? Avika? Avika, answer to second question. Avika, are you there? Priyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, answer to this question.
Ma'am, Duke Metternich.
It was Duke Metternich who hosted the Congress of Vienna. Very good. Third, Priyal? Priyal?
Yes, ma'am.
Third question का आंसर बताओ. भारतीय जनता पार्टी was formerly
ma'am.
called. थर्ड का आंसर बताओ. भारतीय जनता पार्टी वॉज फॉर्मरली कॉल्ड. हमने स्क्रीन शेयर करा हुआ इसीलिए आप लोगों के साथ. बताओ. एनीबडी एल्स?
मैम, भारतीय जनसंघ.
भारतीय जनसंघ.
हाँ, भारतीय जनसंघ. वेरी गुड. Next, the body with which the political parties are registered in India.
Election Commission.
Election
Commission.
Election Commission of India.
Election Commission of India. Very good. Fifth question.
B.
B.
Dignity and
Monica,
freedom.
read out the question.
What is promoted much superiorly by democracy than any other form of government? Option B, dignity and freedom of the individual.
Very good. Anybody else who has written any other answer? Then next question. Read out. Zeba, which is not a component of political party?
Ma'am, D, elections.
Many have written followers and active members, which is wrong. These are not the component of political party. Okay. Next question.
The Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich.
The Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor. Very good. Next, the Frankfurt Parliament was?
was convened at the church in St. Paul in France.
Very good. Convent at the parliament कट जाएगा. Church is the correct answer. Okay. Next.
Can we just repeat the question? This one, the Frankfurt Parliament as convinced.
Beta, it was convened at church in Saint Paul in Frankfurt, not the parliament.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Next, बताओ, Priyansh.
Ma'am, Junkers in Prussia were the large landowner.
And many have written they were the revolters, they were the poor peasants, they were the poor farmers. I don't know where from they have got this information. Chaliye, let it be. Okay, next question. Most critical feature of democracy is that it's just never gets over. Support the statement with 3 suitable points of view. कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर? Who will tell? Nobody for this answer? Priyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivendra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ, इसका आंसर बताओ, क्या लिखा है आपने?
Ma'am, I have done the second one, ma'am. Our political party.
अच्छा, ये दीपक कौन से वाले हैं क्लास में? 8th के 10th के कौन से दीपक हैं ये? दीपक मंडल है कि दीपक कौन है ये? अच्छा, निशांत आपने करा है बेटा ये आंसर?
नो मैम, सेकंड वाला ही करा है.
अच्छा, प्रियल, अनादि आपने करा है ये आंसर बेटा?
No, ma'am.
भवलीन?
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, I have also done the second one only.
अंजलि आप बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, I have also attempted the second part.
अच्छा, anybody who has done the first part? अच्छा, कुछ बच्चे हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसे हैं, उन्होंने पता है क्या करा इस क्वेश्चन में? हाउ आर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. देखिए, मोस्ट क्रिटिकल फीचर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज दैट स्ट्रेस नेवर गेट्स ओवर. इस आंसर में आपको, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको सिर्फ ये आंसर लिखना था कि किस तरीके से व्हेन वन वन प्रॉमिस इज फुलफिल्ड बाय द democratic government, people expect some more from them, and as they keep on fulfilling the promises done by them, people have more expectations from them, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. चलिए ये how are political parties recognized as regional and national parties in India? Explain with examples. प्रियांश ये निशांत इसका आंसर बताओ.
Ma'am, a party that secures at least 6% of total votes in an election and legislative assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party.
ठीक है, very good.
And ma'am, if it secures at least 6% of votes in Lok Sabha elections
Total votes 6%.
and
6% of
and wins at,
हाँ.
and wins at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha,
Hmm.
it's recognized as national party.
National Party. This is the correct answer. Chalo. Good, at least you do. There are many those who have written 6% of votes and 6%, 6 seats only. Many have written this way, so it is wrong. You need to understand that 6% of votes for Lok Sabha and 4 seats they will give recognition as a national party, and 6% of total votes for the assembly, and at least 2 seats in a state. In states, right? Now question number 18. Anjali.
Yes.
In Europe.
This was the one I was saying that it was the question of industrialization.
नहीं बेटा, ये बिल्कुल आपके चैप्टर फर्स्ट का ही क्वेश्चन है बच्चे.
Ma'am, in that Silesia event is also there.
हाँ, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में पूरा आंसर है आपका. 5 पॉइंट्स पूरे फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ
Yes.
के अंदर ही इट इज गिवन.
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
क्यों लगा कि ये सेकंड चैप्टर, ये आपका इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन वाले चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है?
I could not find this question actually in that first chapter, and ma'am, I asked from anyone about this, so they told that it's from the industrialization chapter. So I thought.
ये आपको पेज नंबर 15 है बुक का? You have the book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Page 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Hunger, hardship, and popular revolt. The 1830s
Yes,
were
yes.
years of great economic hardship in Europe. This line only is been
Ma'am,
given.
I have written something, I don't remember, but yeah, ma'am, because I was not knowing that answer, like I was not sure of this answer, so I've just written it. I didn't remember now.
Let me see what have you written for this answer. Bhavleen is roll number. Okay. You have written answer for this question?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, 18th you have not done. नहीं लिखा है आपने अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर इसका. कोई नहीं, इसमें देखो सिंपल सा ही आना था. इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन आपको बताना था कि हाउ पॉपुलेशन वाज इंक्रीजिंग. देन बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज पॉपुलेशन, माइग्रेशन ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम रूरल टू द अर्बन एरियाज टू द सिटीज, उसकी वजह से अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत ज्यादा हो गया था और रिसोर्सेज लैक करने लगे थे. जो आपके मशीन, जो इंग्लैंड में जो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हुआ था उसका इम्पैक्ट जो है आपका मार्केट पे ही पड़ रहा था. ठीक है, हैंडमेड गुड्स जो है वर नॉट इन डिमांड. इस पूरे आंसर क्वेश्चन का आंसर is given in the same page.
Yeah.
It is given on the same page. The first half of the 19th century saw an enormous increase in population all over Europe. In most countries, there were more seekers of job than employment. Third point, population from rural areas migrated to the cities to live in overcrowded slums. Small producers in towns were often faced with stiff competition from imports of cheap machine-made goods from England, where industrialization was more advanced than the other on the continent. Then fifth point, there was especially in those regions of Europe where the autocracy still enjoyed power, peasants struggled under the burden of feudal dues and obligations. The rise of food prices or a year of bad harvest led to widespread pauperism in town and city. ठीक है। और हमें लगता है ये रिवीजन के टाइम पे भी आई हैव टेकन अप दिस क्वेश्चन विद सेवरल टाइम्स विद एवरी इन ऑल द 3 सेक्शंस आई हैव टेकन अप, क्योंकि दीज क्वेश्चंस आर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, ये रिपीटेडली आते रहते हैं। आप सैंपल पेपर की बुक्स उठाओगे उसमें ये क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेडली पूछे गए हैं, दैट मींस दीज आर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, राइट?
Yeah, ma'am.
चलो कोई नहीं, वी ऑलवेज लर्न फ्रॉम आवर मिस्टेक्स, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये वाला एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, ये तो आपको मुझे लगता है आप लोगों ने सबने सही करा होगा, है ना?
Hmm.
इसका क्या होगा बताओ? अंजलि, अविका,
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ इसका आंसर बेटा। अंजलि, क्वेश्चन पढ़ो। कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो।
Ma'am, option D, preservation of traditional list belief in states and society.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
traditionalist beliefs in state and society. Then next, हाँ बताओ, next बताओ।
Ma'am, option B, to restore conservative regime in Europe.
To restore conservative regime in Europe, very good. Third का बताओ। थर्ड का बताओ। Sum of 1 to 100 number. मिनट खत्म आपकी? मिनट। बताओ ज़ेबा।
Ma'am, ma'am, I have written option B, to establish socialism in Europe.
ये गलत है, इसका आंसर होगा
Ma'am, A.
हम ए।
इसका ए होगा टू रीएस्टैब्लिश पीस एंड स्टेबिलिटी इन यूरोप। ठीक है, चलो
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट बताओ, फोर्थ का बताओ।
Ma'am, option A,
ऑप्शन
A, with the restoration of Bourbon dynasty.
नो 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 नो।
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C.
हाँ, लेइंग आउट अ बैलेंस ऑफ पावर बिटवीन ऑल द ग्रेट पावर्स इन यूरोप, वेरी गुड। यस, सी होगा। शिवेंद्र है ये।
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अब आप नेक्स्ट वाला बताओ, डेमोक्रेसी वाला। फर्स्ट का बताओ।
People's right to choose their own rulers called the right. Ma'am, right to vote.
हाँ, राइट टू वोट। सेकंड,
Vote.
हाँ सेकंड बताओ।
Because the following option helps in promoting transparency in the government.
Ma'am, right to information.
Ma'am, right to information.
Right to information. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anadi, next बताओ.
Yes, ma'am. Free and fair elections.
हाँ, free and fair elections make the government legitimate. Next बताओ. Anadi, next बताओ. Fourth.
Taken after following due processes.
हाँ, taken after following due processes. Very good. चलिए. ये बताओ. What changes did Napoleon introduced? बवली ने कराया आपने? क्षितिज गण.
Ma'am,
क्षितिज रुको रुको.
can share this.
बताओ क्लास. बवली आप बताओ. चलो आंसर क्या लिखा है आपने इसका?
Ma'am, that Napoleon abolished Napoleon abolished that taxes